You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these name correctly. There's going to be different ways of pronouncing it, and you're going to be able to help here. I'm going to go through different ways of pronouncing it. That's a given name, but it's also a historical place in Jordan. French pronunciation Petra, in Italian Petra, in Spanish Petra. In English, it's generally pronounced two slightly different ways: Petra, Petra. Some pronounce it with a bit of a ch sound, as in Petra, Petra, or Petra. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know, so we know a little more how you pronounce it and how everybody does. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.